What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and welcome to a very cold morning here in Houston, Texas. Today is Exotics on Market Street. I haven't been to this one in like a year, but for some reason I decided to wake up this morning and come out and check it out. I know there's gonna be a couple cool SVJs here, including an SVJ 63, so let's get waiting in this very cold weather for these amazing cars, and hopefully something sick shows up. Okay, what the heck? An orange P1? I thought all of these were gone out of Houston, and it doesn't have any plates on it whatsoever, so I don't know. Is this a customer car? Let's do in the Mclaren dance. Alright, we got some more people rolling in. Got an old Challenger. And the Challenger color actually is gonna match the SVJ color rolling in. I think this is the IDS supercars one, but we'll just have to see. Yeah, I believe it is. I don't know if he sold it or is that, yeah, that doesn't look like him, but I don't know. At least it's a SVJ and not gray.
Yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CPT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang us in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low lie, yo lie, boy, we living it up.
Alright, we got a nice 360, a 600 LT Spider, make that 2. Then a couple Porsches, and we got a very nice GT2 RS. Mexico blue, Miami blue, I don't know what blue it is. It doesn't come across the same on camera as it is in person, but that is a really good spec. Then we have a black 430 and a couple older Porsches. Now on this side, got a 458, AMG GT, Alfa Romeo 4C, and then this little go-kart thing that I can't pronounce its name, but it's got a bear in the passenger seat. He looks way warmer than me.
Yeah, that's why we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she crept in the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in the smother, just a swank in my hair. Trick, quick talking, crip walk if you down with the set. Take a bullet with some grip and take the smoke on this shit.
Alright, I like where this is going. We got a little Ford action going on with the Ford versus Ferrari movie coming out. I've seen a lot of people in Houston driving their Ford GTs more than ever. This thing is amazing, dude. If you guys haven't seen that movie, I highly recommend it. I don't think you're gonna see this before we do it, but at my work tonight, we're doing a car show for Ford versus Ferrari, which is gonna be sick. And other than the Ford GT, we have the Huracan Performante in the all black spec, which is absolutely sick, and then a all black GT2 RS as well. Super cool. This with silver brakes and black wheels looks crazy. Oh my god, I need one. We got another SVJ pulling in green. That is so nice. Green and bronze wheels. Holy spec. That's crazy, Scoob.
And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you be relieving your stress. Da 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 da, it's the one and only Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. Da 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 da, you know I'm modeling with the D.O.E. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Da 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 da, it's the one and only Eagle Double G. Eagle Double G.
Oh my god, there it is. It's the fastest manual GT2 in the quarter mile. This thing sounds crazy. Dang. We saw this guy go at Texas 2K, and let me tell you, it's quick. Then we had a random big old armor truck. If you know the name of that one, let me know. I know it says it on the back, but I'm way too cold to go check what it is. We got the Murcielago with the big old SV wing. I think they all should have came like that from the factory. They need a wing. We got our favorite boys back in the business with the IX Exotics team with a brand new addition, the Huracan Evo. Now it's like mustard and relish. Here we go, we had the old one, now we got the new one. Alfa Romeo 8C. I haven't seen one of those in so long. What the heck? It's Drew and the ghost of the Corvette. Woo! Wait, Halloween was like 2 days ago, a year ago, a month ago, a year ago. Now we got this thing. Why is he getting into the supercar show? It's like a Volkswagen. Just kidding, it's a Ford, boys, I know. But then we got the F12. He should be let in. That thing has such nice body lines. Oh my god. All the rowdy, muscly boys, they're denying and putting them in the garage. I don't even think there are Sens at this show, but we'll never know. And here we got the man, the myth, the legend. The most experienced 600 LT driver in all the planet. The guy that took me for the test drive. Mr. Lambo Horology. Go follow him on Instagram. It's looking clean this morning.
Swirl.
Alright guys, now that we've really looked around the show and checked everything out, what is your favorite car here? I think I'm gonna have to go with that dark green SVJ, even though there's a P1 behind Mike right there. But I don't know, it's a cold one, but it's a good one. I'm glad we went out here this morning and not Cole's Crossing Cars and Coffee. Drew. Alright, right now we're trying to get the new Cactus Jack Air Force Ones. So wish us luck, wish us luck. Dang, he opened the valves up on that thing. I didn't know those cars could sound like that, my god. I spy with my little eye. Bro, is that a Supra? Let me get a bros that Supra in the chat. Oh yes, they're letting him in. Thank God. Good man, good man. Here comes this guy. He's got a YouTube channel. Not sure what it is, but if you're watching, my guy, let's set something up. I'll do a review on the NSX. I gotta keep it short because the copyright music in the background, but the JDM legend has invaded the supercar show. This is like very stock mint Supra. Original interior, original headlights. Beautiful. You don't see many of these anymore. Everyone mods them out and makes them something completely different, but it's nice to see a stock one every once in a while. Unfortunately, you can't win them all. We did not win these Travis Scott Air Force Ones. We're still waiting for Mike though. Boo. Oh, he lost two. Too bad, so sad. We got one final boy rolling in. This guy is the YouTuber Unspeakable, the Minecraft YouTuber. He has a Mercy, and I guess he just picked this up a little while ago. Very cool. No degree. That's how I'm trying to be, cuz.
Hold up, hey, for my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't play. We gon' rock until the wheels fall off.
It's a brother. It's my friend with the big wing from Palm Shells. Yes. But we have the 600 LT squad, baby. That's what's up. So this guy just bought this GT2RS, and look at the splitter. That is cracked, son. But I mean, if you're looking at it from far away, I didn't notice at the beginning. That sounds so good. They swapped. He has the Performante and the guy in here has this. They're swapping out. Oh, that sounds so good. That sounds crazy too. And the guy that owns this, that's in the Performante, said that the front splitter was not his fault. It was the delivery truck driver, and he dropped it down wrong when he was lowering it to the ground and cracked it on the the back thing of the truck. So what would you say if that happened to your car when you first, it was literally on the first day of ownership. So I don't know how I'd feel about that. I think we'd have one less truck driver in this world. Oh, we open the valves. Alright guys, all the cars are heading out, and sadly no one sends it here, they just creep out. So we're going to say goodbye to all these supercars we have today. So thank you guys for watching. I know this wasn't the crazy send video, but it was nice to take a chill pill, wake up early, come enjoy these amazing supercars in one hypercar. So if you did like the video, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.
Wait, for my niggas who be acting too bold, take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode.